The YouTube video that is titled 9 Passive Income Ideas, How I Make $357,000 a Month, that was produced by the YouTube channel Noah Kagan, is 8 minutes and 16 seconds in duration. Let's cut through all the fluff and just look at the key points. The first is uniswap.org. Kagan says he earns about $323 a month from a liquidity pool on uniswap.org. They explain the concept of liquidity pools, which facilitate liquidity between different tokens. He recommends using Zapper.fi to explore various tokens and their liquidity payouts, noting the direct correlation between high payouts and increased risk. Second, and predictably, is YouTube revenue. He says, surprisingly, his old YouTube videos continue to generate significant revenue, amounting to over $3,700 a month. He advises checking YouTube analytics to understand the earnings from videos made in the previous year. Third is digital products. Here, Kagan says he has created digital products, including a Kindle book, which still brings in about $2,000 a month. Here, he offers free access to an ebook about his time at Facebook and a business course. Never let a sales pitch pass you by. Fourth is online courses. The potential of earning $1 million by selling online courses is highlighted. Kagan stresses that while creating a course requires effort, it can be a lucrative passive income stream, especially for those with an existing audience or teaching experience. Fifth is blogging and email lists. Kagan says he makes $65 a month through his blog and email list, emphasizing the importance of both passive and active income streams in the internet world. Number 6 is cryptocurrency investments. Here he says he earns over $7,200 per month by investing in cryptocurrencies, including staking Ethereum to Ethereum 2.0 and holding various coins on BlockFi. Next is index funds and real estate. Kagan proffers that he makes almost $10,000 a month through index funds and real estate investments. He claims to have been a millionaire by age 30 through these investments and suggests using PeerStreet.com for finding real estate investment deals. Number 8 is real estate. Here, Kagan says he earns over $10,000 a month from renting out properties, including an Airbnb. And finally, he talks about software products on AppSumo.com. He discusses the success of products like TidyCal, ZenFox, and SendFox, emphasizing the substantial passive income generated from these ventures. Please remember that, much like the original video, I will not give you the fine details. But if there were 1 or 2 topics that interested you, now is the time to research those in depth. Seek out experts in that field. Do not look for generic how to make money fast videos that recycle the obvious suspects, like the one I reviewed here. Feel free to tell me which YouTube gurus you like, but you wish would just get to the point and stop stretching out their explanations and including personal anecdotes to garner credibility. Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more.